sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with RPGSHOW once more, and it's the same package as usual. Really nice, very professional. Always look clean and classy. You know, we get the box in a drawstring bag that's branded. Everything is always branded. You know, you have the nice, lovely tissue paper packaging, and this is what holds the wig, which we're gonna get into. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Alright, so the goodies that we got in today's package, I got an RPGSHOW elastic headband. I also got a pair of wig caps. I got a flyaway tamer. I got the invoice, you know, just, you know, describing what we got in the package in terms of the wig in this little, you know, envelope here or booklet. You know, all the details are listed, and you know, it would not be an RPGSHOW package without one of their gorgeous magazines, which has like a bunch of different hairstyles and beautiful models on the inside. Very professionally done. It's a very beautiful magazine, so I always love getting these. And then lastly, in the box, there is a little bag for storage. You can store your wig in this after you worn it and cleanse it and all that good stuff, and it's branded as well. So for today's wig, I got this gorgeous bob. I'm so excited, guys. This is a 12-inch bob. As you can see, it's like a nice body wave vibe, and it comes style. That's one of the biggest things I love about getting an RPGSHOW wig. Just know that you're gonna get the wig styled, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to think about is installation, and most of these wigs are always gorgeous glueless wigs. This is a glueless wig, nothing short of that. All right, and it's a 13x6 glueless wig. Now the 13x6 portion is mostly in the middle, as I can say. On the sides, it doesn't have as much depth. I hope for future wigs that they will increase the depth on the sides, though that would be really nice. But nonetheless, it's a great quality, and I love that. Now this is a tinted transparent Swiss lace lace front that we're working with today, and they did go ahead and pre-bleach it and also tint it. As I said, the color of the wig is also a natural color, and it's a silky body wave texture. All right, the cap is a medium cap, and so I always love, you know, that fits best. On the inside of the wig, there's also like some bands for more security, extra elastic bands for more security, and it's branded RPGSHOW. Also, there are 3 combs on the inside, you know, for added security, and adjustable straps in the back. Now before applying it, you can be sure to go ahead and just, you know, remove this piece of lace. It's really not necessary. So I always cut it off before I even jump into installation. But yeah, that's how the wig looks that we're working with today. I'm so happy to go ahead and jump into this, because guess what, this is gonna very much be a beginners friendly installation kind of wig video. You don't have to do much to this wig for it to look very nicely professionally installed on your head. You don't have to be worrying about going to the salon or anything to get this installed, and we're gonna jump straight into it. Okay, let's go. Just adjust it to how you want it to like sit on your hairline. And you see how nicely that is already curled. You cannot be for real. This looks so good. Tell the truth. This looks so good. This is really gorgeous. Look at that. The bones, the movement. And then you don't even have to do a lot to install it. Like, it's glueless, guys. Let's get to it. So what I'm going to work on right now is removing the lace. Alright. So let's get into it. Now it's a little bit long on the ear portion, so we're going to remove the excess around the ear.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
So now that I cut off the excess, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the lace. That lace is so undetectable, guys. What lace? What lace? And look at that. Wow. I'm so pleased. I'm always really pleased still. It's nothing new. There's nothing new. If you guys been keeping up with me, you know that RPGSHOW is really like top tier, like one of the best wig companies out there. Oh, look at that fall. Oh, okay. Girl, this messy body wave vibe is, guys, I don't know about you, but I know about me. Like, this is it. And this wig is perfect for, like, if you're going for that really nice voluminous kind of bob vibe. It really, really, really looks good. Like, it's 10 out of 10, honestly. So, alright. So remember, I tell you, it's glueless. You really don't need to apply any glue or anything now. If you want to do a complete pullback vibe, if you notice the ear portion usually doesn't lay as like flat, that part will come up a lot. So what I usually do, and I mean, I've shown you guys this before, I'm just really showing you guys again, and to all the new people that, you know, are watching, what I'll do is I'll just focus on applying a little bit of spray here on the side, like holding spray, just a little bit to hold the sides down. That way you don't have to worry about them lifting at all. Okay, and it is laid. That is all there is to it. You could cut down the side there for a little sideburn action. Nothing too serious though, because I'm not gonna finesse it like with any like gel or anything. Like, I'm not gonna do none of that. And it holds. It holds. It's still glueless. You know, you just want to make sure that area is, you know, in place and not moving. I love it. No, guys, you know I'm like overjoyed when you see me like going on and on about a wig like this. Like, I just can't get over how gorgeous this wig is straight out of the box. Like, straight out of the box. I literally don't have to fix it. And then it has that little nice flip action. Girl, and it's beautifully layered. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but you see the way these curls are falling? That's because of how nicely layered it is. So that is a 10. Literally, I love that. So, oh wow, you see that? You see that? Yeah.
Walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Let me know what you guys think about this in my comment section, because I know it can't just be me. You see this curl? I need to stop. I need to stop. Girl, yeah, if you're looking for that timeless, effortless, natural kind of wig look, it's all here at RPGSHOW. Literally quality, everything top tier. Barely any shedding. The only places I'm getting shedding from is where I cut the excess lace from, because I mean, it's inevitable. You cut off lace, so there will be a few strands that will fall out over time easier than the rest of the wig, because you went ahead and you cut it. You know, it's self-explanatory. The wig, as I say, I'm not getting any shedding, but you know, over time there will be minimal shedding. But so far, from my experience at least, because I have kept a couple RPGSHOW wigs well in the past, and based on how they reacted, not it doesn't shed a lot, like it's minimal shedding gradually over time. So that's a plus. Love that. If you're looking for that perfect bob for the summer, you don't care for exploring with any color, you just want to keep it 1B, you want a wig that is pre-styled straight out of the package, you want a 13x6 glueless, yeah, it win. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig if you want it. It will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to RPG Show, them never miss. What? No. So yeah, they really have me feeling myself, like they really do. But yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like the wig, you know, if you found it informative, all that stuff, go ahead and give that thumb up. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my previous wig videos, and stay tuned for my upcoming wig looks and other videos on this channel, of course. I didn't upload any chit chat last week nor this week, but I got you guys. I did not stop again. I just really and truly didn't get around to doing any for the past 2 weeks, but your girl is coming back. So yeah, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
All of the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I.